Dear ladies and dear gentlemen, today I would like to tell you about the danger of MacRepair program, also known as TweakBit MacRepair. TweakBit MacRepair. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you that the main reason why I made this video is not to negatively speak about the program, but to warn you about the danger of how it is distributed. You know, the developers, or at least the distributors of this MacRepair software, refer to the practice of scaring people into downloading this software. Well, I understand that if the company that develops MacRepair, if it was a decent company and fair company, it would not refer to the practice of deception. But unfortunately, MacRepair developers refer to the pattern of online scam to scare people into downloading their software. This is why I strongly urge you not to use MacRepair software. I will demonstrate how TweakBit MacRepair scam is distributed. Well, I have this pop-up titled as no name day 67.live, and the name of the pop-up may be different. It says that my Mac was infected with some virus found. It specifies my IP address and some other technical details about my Mac. So it tells me to click on the scan button, and there will be certain imitation of scanning in progress. Obviously, at the end of scan, there will be some other scary alerts like bankworm virus detected, and then the link actually says that I need to click on the remove virus now. So the link immediately leads me to the landing page of TweakBit MacRepair. As you see, afterwards, after people click on this download now button, they automatically go to the installer of TweakBit MacRepair. So I recommend you not to proceed with this installation. I recommend you to close such windows, such scary alerts, and if you have seen MacRepair on your Mac computer, make sure that you remove this software right away, because it deceives you with a lot of faulty information, and basically it acts in a very cruel and unfair manner. I strongly advise you to disregard this software, and not only to disregard it, but to get rid of it right away. Click on the command option and escape button and force quit this MacRepair software, and then afterwards uninstall it from your Mac applications. Now, I also recommend that you scan your Mac with the decent software called Combo Cleaner. You may download it through the website combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. Click on this download Combo Cleaner button, download and install the program, and start scanning with it. This will help you to realize all other possible threats that may be found in your Mac, and you may remove them with the premium version of the program or manually, as explained in this video. Because at the end of the scan there will be a list of all threats found by Combo Cleaner, and you'll be able to manually locate and delete them. Or to do it automatically, you need to get the premium version of Combo Cleaner. Thanks for watching, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Bye.